If a can't be 0, then evaluate the following limit. The limit as x approaches a, which can't be 0. All right, so we have up here what looks like difference of squares. So x minus a, x plus a. We have down here what looks like a unique brand of difference of squares. So that would be a squared minus x squared and a squared plus x squared. Now I can keep going with this. Okay, the top doesn't change. X minus a, x plus a, didn't change. Okay, a squared minus x squared continues factoring. So that's a minus x, a plus x, and then we have a squared plus x squared. Okay, you cross out. And if I wanted to, I can pull out a -1 out of the top and get a minus x over a minus x, a squared plus x squared. These guys cross out. That leaves me with -1 over a squared plus x squared. Now if I take the limit as x approaches a, bring that negative out front of 1 over a squared plus x squared, that gets me -1 over a squared plus a squared, which is -1 over 2a squared. Very bizarre problem. Very bizarre problem. But yeah, that's how you would do it.